Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, first of all, before we get into this haul, I'm pressed. I'm really grateful that you guys like my crappy videos. I just want to say thank you all so much for 1,000 subscribers. We finally hit that milestone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all of your support. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking. It matters. We want to continue to grow this mess of a family here. It's really, really appreciated. Thank you guys so much. So today was the first day of the Ubiquitous Hair Expo in Washington, D.C. So I met up with a couple of my girlfriends, Quinn Ray and Jasmine. You can follow them both. I'll have both of their information in the cards. The first product line is Miracle 9. They were there and all of their products were $10. You can also find this brand in Target. I didn't get a lot from this line because it was something I wasn't either interested in or I didn't really care for the smell too much. The only thing I picked up from the Miracle 9 line was their honey and avocado mousse. In case you all didn't know, I am a mousse fan. I actually used mousse for this braid out here. I really enjoy using a mousse because it gives me great hold without having that crunchy feel or without leaving any residue. So that was all I picked up from Miracle 9. The next company that I got a few products from was Alakay Naturals. They were there really pushing their lemongrass line, hence probably why they have the big yellow bag. But I didn't pick up anything from the lemongrass collection. I wasn't really interested, but I wanted to re-up on the Wake Me Up Curl Refresher. In case you didn't know, this is definitely one of my staples when it comes to refreshing my hair. Love this. I also picked up something that I haven't tried before, thanks to Lori from Mad Curls. She raved about their moisturizing black soap shampoo, so I've been wanting to get my hands on this. Haven't really wanted to pick it up in Target because it's expensive, but Alakay was there and all of their products were $10, so I made sure to pick this up as well. That was all that I got from Alakay. Next, take two. Next up, I went to the Elle booth and I only got a few products from there. Didn't grab much from their new Hawaiian Ginger collection except the overnight conditioner. That was the only new product that I got from Elle. I also decided to re-up on my faves from the pomegranate and honey collection from Elle. I did get another bottle of their shampoo as well as the magic conditioner. You all know I've raved about these in a couple of my videos. The very last thing I got from Elle was their OG Babasuit and Mint Deep Conditioner, which gives you great slip and a good shot of protein. I know that this isn't everyone's fave, but I likes it. That was everything that I got from Elle. Next up, I grabbed a couple of products from Camille Rose Naturals. Anytime Camille Rose has an event, usually their products are all $10. Now let me make a disclaimer. The only hair product that I got from Camille Rose is from their lavender collection. This is the Shaken Hair Spritzer. This is another refreshing spray and I've heard really, really great things about this. I'm excited to use this to give my wash and goes and even like my braid outs and twist outs a little extra shine and moisture. So we're gonna see how this works out for me. So that was the only hair product that I got from Camille Rose, but it also had the new face collection, which is the new skincare line from Camille Rose. So I did grab a few products from that collection. If you look on their website, you can get the entire collection for $100. If you're into skincare like I'm into skincare, and you know that that's not really a ridiculous price, howsoever, I ain't gonna pay that. In actuality, when I saw that Camille Rose did release the skincare line, I was like, okay. But then I got to the booth and some of the girls working there were raving about how great the products were, and the prices were either $10 or $5. If you weren't aware, I'm a skincare snob, so once I saw the Camille Rose packaging and a few of the girls were raving about how wonderful the products were, I had to grab a few of the products. So the first product I picked up from the face collection by Camille Rose is the Seedless Skin Pore Reducing Foaming Scrub, and this has charcoal and jojoba beads, so excited to try that. Next up, I got the Fresh Tone Makeup Remover Toner, and this has tereré tea and yerba mate. I also picked up the Youth Burst Age Reversing Night Serum, and this has ceramide 3 and Bicol Skullcap. I also picked up the Eye Blossom Overnight Repair Eye Jelly with White Lily, Marijuana, Faffia, and Eye Bright extracts. So that was everything that I picked up from Camille Rose. Last but not least, I stopped by Misha Beauty. She had a great deal. Everything was $12, or you could get 5 products for $50. I already knew that I was going to get 5 products. Wanted to try Misha for quite some time. The first product I got from Misha is their moisturizing and cleansing sulfate-free shampoo. I am so excited to try this. I also picked up 2 of their Indulge moisturizing deep conditioners. Can't wait to try that. I also picked up their Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner. And I also picked up their Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. All heard the rave reviews about Misha, so I'm excited to try this entire line. Be sure to let me know if you want a video on those products as well. That is everything that I picked up at Ubiquitous. Overall, Jasmine, Quinn, and I had a great time at the Ubiquitous Expo. I did wish that there were a few more companies there that I was interested in. I also wish that the companies that were there that I do like were actually selling products. A lot of booths were there just, I guess, to promote, but didn't really have products available for people to purchase or even test or try out. So that was a little disappointing, but as you can see, I still managed to spend my money there. Let me also make a disclaimer that because I was able to finally get my hands on Misha for a price that I was willing to pay, we probably won't have no Black Friday haul, girl.